YouTube Addicted to Ammo here. I went to my Walmart this morning just to see what was on the shelf. As you had seen in my last video, that was last night. Here is from this morning. They still had lots of PPU on the shelf, and they had one box of the CCI Standard Velocity 22 long rifle. Picked one of those up. Trying to make this short and sweet. $7.97 a box for the PPU, $3.47 for this box of CCI, and then my tax, of course. But lots of that on the shelf, and if you stay tuned, I'm gonna put up together the video of what I took that was on the shelf before I made my purchase. Lots and lots and lots of ammo to buy. No 100-round value packs of handgun ammo really left. Lots of 50-round boxes, lots of 223, lots of 5.56. So, alright, I will put that up now, and everybody have a good day.